Japanese cravings. Here have the Ume Japanese Cuisine, the ramen's nature spring rice nga, karaage, and well, I am a shoyu ramen lover. But if ever na kung ani sa Ume, I am usually ordering really good nature spring roll. I think I mentioned green tea or matcha. Today, I am going to satisfy my Japanese cravings here at BAI Hotel. And yes, it is in BAI Hotel again because for sharing, for me, I really like to dine in hotels or in establishments in which ni follow gud sila og protocols for the new norm. Me coming here in BAI Hotel, sure kaayo ko and secured kaayo ko that I am really protected in the same way makaprotect sad ko sa ubang kuyog nako kay strict jud kaayo sila in observing the protocols of the new norm. And you might be asking ano sa BAI Hotel, kuha mo na inform. Here in BAI Hotel, they have the Ume Japanese Cuisine. If you have been following me, you know that recently I just came here for the Angus steak sa Marble plus Grain Steakhouse. If ever wala pagali mo kaanhi na dayon. And now I am here for the ramen sa Ume Japanese Cuisine. But we might not be dining in the Ume Japanese Cuisine restaurant, and we will still be dining here in Marble plus Grain Steakhouse. But nganhi now they are offering the best sellers or tanan nga na sa Ume Japanese Cuisine na anapod nganhi, and they are offering it to the public kay I know and they know nga daghan gyud ta nag-crave og Japanese cuisine here in Cebu. And now I am just sharing to you their menu. At least you could see that their prices are still affordable and piriharasad sa uban nga Japanese restaurant. There might be a slight price difference, but the service here is really good. Well, it's BAI Hotel. And well, this is nice also if ever imong friend gusto mo kaon og steak, well, you're eating in the same restaurant. So what I ordered first is one of their Ume signature rolls, which is the Nature Spring Roll. Well, this is type of a modern type of sushi roll. So it is a shrimp tempura roll with crab stick sauce and cheese. And of course, before kita mag-ramen, ramen is best kung naa siya'y paris nga karaage. And trust me guys, the chicken karaage here in Ume is also really good. And kanang ideally appetizer man ni siya, but I really like eating it with my ramen. And looking at it, kabantay matingali mo, the karaage alone can be a meal already. Now let's go to my ramen. Well, I am a shoyu ramen lover, but if ever na kung ani sa Ume, I am usually ordering their GYUNIKO. So then again guys, you can enjoy this Ume Japanese Cuisine favorites here in Marble plus Grain Steakhouse in BAI Hotel Cebu. They are open Mondays to Sundays from 6 a.m. up to 9 p.m. So try to imagine, pidigim wanig sayo kayo 6 a.m. and until late night of 9 p.m. But then again, prior reservations is highly encouraged. For that, mga ona dayon ta guys. Well, of course, kibaw kung dili ni siya may proper order, pero ganahan gyud na akong unang kaon ang ramen. Well, kung mag-crave ko og ramen, dapat shoyu ramen yun na siya for me to be satisfied. But if ever again, kung na ako nga ni sa Ume, I would really recommend for you to try their GYUNIKO. Because well, if ever di mo familiar, GYUNIKO is actually beef ang naa. Beef, and of course the egg, the vegetables, and it uses a soy-based broth. And I might be biased because kibaw ko ang beef quality here in BAI Hotel or here in Ume Japanese Cuisine is really good. So manang it, that is why if ever I'm here, I'm ordering the GYUNIKO. But if ever, their shoyu here is really good also. See how rich the soup is, and the noodles is kanang lami sa gyud lang noodles itself. It is really lami, and of course again the beef. And for me guys, the best pair gyud sa ramen will be a karaage. I know nga dapat ang karaage should be eaten as an appetizer, pero why not? Ako gyud na siyang ipares sa ako ang ramen para mas complete. And as I've mentioned, here in Ume also ganahan kay ko kailahang side dish sad gali no sa karaage, kay murag pwede na sa jud mo siya makaon or like a sudan itself. Or if ever you are in a diet, this karaage already is like a meal for you. Well, just in case if ever you are not familiar, di ay karaage or chicken karaage, this is like a marinated boneless chicken deep fried in a Japanese style. And karaage chicken is the chicken nga pwede di kumukaon og all you can. Joke lang. So manang actually kaning ordera, I couldn't really judge kay mahurot gid siya nako. Diba? I think nakita matingali ninyo no, dali kay mahurot, then yeah, mag-side dish ito ay para as if sad ko nung dili nako mahurot ang chicken. Are you so patay gutom best? Bitaw oy I don't know, nasa gi certain taste ang ilahang side dish nga vegetable in which lami sa gid kaayo, perfect for the chicken and the ramen also. And of course, lastly, the Nature Spring Roll. I think I mentioned already, this is like a shrimp roll nga na ay crab stick sauce, da na apagay cheese. So I think kung imagine na ninyo, shrimp plus crab plus cheese, I think more perfect na ka siya nga lami ug perfect siya nga combination. Plus the wasabi and na siya spice daan, so lami na gyud kaayo. And of course, to end a meal here in Ume Japanese Cuisine, you should try their green tea or matcha ice cream. Well, I think dili na ko siya dapat i-explain more, no? So, basta green tea siya nga ice cream. So, it is really perfect. Added if ever spicy kaayo ang roll. Then, mukhaon din kag milky, creamy nga green tea ice cream. Perfect na gyud ang meal. And I forget to mention nga, sila rin nagbuhat ani, so try to imagine how rich the flavor is. But then again guys, don't forget to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!